Alright, what's up, boyos?
Wait, I only have 3 minutes of footage left. I should have done that earlier, low-key.
We can grab my Ace Pro.
Yeah, you're right. Alright, so we don't have too much time here, which is why we're hurrying, but we're about to do some sick mountain drifting.
That's facts.
Whoa. Car's getting antsy. I'm just gonna turn around at the runaway truck ramp and I'll let Mr. Nick know when I'm nearby. Oh, yes. Yeah, this car hooks up like super weird. It's like the car, well, I mean, I know this is why. The car doesn't like sliding, it wants to be like hooked up or whatever. It's probably the grippy tires I'm on too. No one here? Ah, no, I screwed it up. Rip. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn around. Damn, understeer, not it. Dang. Yeah, the road is starting to grip up now a little bit. Okay, shoot. That was really weird. Oh, traction control is still on. The car's starting to act a little strange. Maybe my tires are cooked, or I don't know. Maybe I'm getting worse. We'll see. I get the beginning part, but just like the part after that's all sus. Doing
Good. That was some close calls.
I know.
You should learn how to drift, then it'll be fun.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, I guess I'll give this bugger some space. But yeah, the road was drying up like mad quick.
I saw it dry up. Like the edge of the right side is
Yeah.
already dry.
I know. So it's making the ground like inconsistently sweat.
My shoes are so soaked though.
Oh, DD. Do you have another pair or nah?
Nah,
Do you want to wear my hiking boots?
it's alright. I'm gonna take them off when we get to the hotel and just wear Crocs. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Yeah! Good thing you're.
Alright. Yeah, the road is almost like completely dry now.
Yeah.
But up there it's wet. Just good enough for me.
The entire side is dry.
I think we're chilling in terms of people coming.
Yeah, I don't see anyone.
Yeah, this is really fun. That's like the best turn though. These other ones are good too, but it's like not on the inside.
Oh yeah! Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
You just got mad handling.
It's like hecka snappy.
Yeah, that hurts.
That's pretty dope.
I agree.